perceive three characters in the story. In the picture shown to us, two are male and one is female. The action of my story is counseling by the doctor. Vaibhav, who is 28 years old, is a brain surgeon in the district hospital Raebareli. Once he came across a woman named Aarti who brought her CT scan reports which showed her tumor. So she was a bit disheartened. But Vaibhav handled the situation by counseling her, motivating her about that the tumor is very small and it can be removed easily. He motivated her and told her about the whole procedure of removing the tumor. And as a result, after the successful operation, he successfully removed the tumor. And
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I perceive three characters. Two are male and one is female. The main character of my story is female. She is Madhuri, 35-year-old and in the positive mood. The main action of my story is the dream wedding. Madhuri, 35-year-old in the positive mood. She is the dance teacher and a mother of Radhika. There was many dreams about the wedding of Radhika in her mind. So when the final day came, she delegated all authorities of catering, music, dance and the guest list to every member of the family and supervised everything personally and make the proper execution. After that, for the shopping and jewelry, she went along with her husband, and from the shavings of her dance academy, she bought a beautiful diamond necklace for her daughter. And when the final day came, she enjoyed the wedding and welcomed the guest very thoroughly and enjoyed the wedding and made the day memorable for everyone. Thank you.
Friends, picture shown to us, I perceive three characters. Two is male character, one is female. Male is Mohan. He is 26 years old. He preparing the competitive exam and he going to the university in his with sister, and he going the principal room and he conveying the her competitive exam in advice. He gives the advice of.
Hello friends, the picture perceived to us, I have observed three characters, two are male and one is female. The main character is Rihan. He is a doctor and he is a student from GSVM College Kanpur. One day the male and one is female. The female is suffering from brain tumor.
Good morning, friends. In the picture shown, I have perceived three characters. Two are male and one is female. The main character of my story is Hari, 25-year-old. A BTech student is in positive mood. Action of the story is going to visit of Temple Ayodhya. Hari, 25-year-old, final student of BTech in BBD, planned to visit Ayodhya Temple with his friends. He approached to his friends and told them about the plan. He arranged all the arrangements. That is booking tickets, booking of hotel for living, and also booked bus. He then with his friends went to the station, and with train they went from Lucknow to Ayodhya. From there they took a bus to the hotel. After taking rest, they went to the Ayodhya temple, where they visited Ram temple, Hanuman temple, and also enjoyed at the Naya Ghat and had a great experience. Thank you.
Friends, in my story, I perceive three characters in which two are male and one is female. The one male is of 20 years and the other female is of 20 years and the other male is of 32 years. In my story, the main character is the female, whose name is Mrs. Anjali Sharma, who is the only heir to the Grand Sharma family, and he meets, and sitting beside him is his husband, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, who is a top bureaucrat of the state of Goa. Sitting in front of them is Mr. Sanjay David, who is the most renowned detective of Goa, and she has contacted him to find the family heirloom box. To unlock the box, he has contacted him for him. After pursuing the box, thank you.
From the picture shown us, I perceived that three main characters, two from male and one from female. The center of my story is stop frauding by the shopkeepers. The main character of my story is Sasikant, who is an engineer and who went to the shop for the buying jewelry shop for their sister. He found that the shopkeeper fraud him and sell duplicate ornaments for him. Then he complained to police station and write an article for awareness of the fraud by the shopkeepers, and then people people aware about it. Thank you.
In the given pictures, I saw three characters. Two of them is male and one of is female. Ram is my main character. He is a college-going student. He study in engineering college, and he is selected for TGC entry 134. And he is confused how they prepare, so that they ask for their parents, and their parents suggest that don't think about that days when you are there, but think what you are today doing. And they receive and they start working on their
Friends, from the pictures on I perceived three characters, two males, one female. My center character, female Shreya 21, is a student from college in Lucknow University. She wanted to go for a trip with her friends. First, she convinced her friend for the trip to Ladakh, and then she made all the arrangements and planning. She went with her friends to Ladakh. She met different people in Ladakh and encountered their culture. She learned their culture and met new people and enjoyed there with her friends. And she came back from the trip and continued her studies. Thank you.
Friends, what I perceived, two are male and one is female. Male age is 21 years, female age is 20 years. Mood of the picture is positive. Arya is the student of the Vaibhav. He is the passing a 10th currently. He got a good scores in science rather than maths. Vaibhav decided to one day meeting with parents of Arya. He decided to pursue the mathematics as a career. Thank you.
Well, friend, I have perceived three characters from the given picture, one female and two is male. Mood of positive all are. And my center character is Rahul, age 17, mood positive. And my story going like this. Rahul is a 12th appearing student in Adarsh Vidyaniketan Senior Secondary School, Pilani. He had failed in our pre-board, so their father has doubted her performance, but he conveyed our father that I have unable to focus to my kabaddi match, but I have better performance in my annual exams. So he prepare their annual exam. He start doing mock test and PYQs, and he study hard, and after it he performed well, and their annual exams he got first rank, and they all are happy. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture I observed that there are three main characters. I think they all are the main character because all three are friends and they are working together from 3 to 4 years, and they plan to make their own startup company, and they choose the category of making of biscuits and snacks, and from there they start their startup, and the main character that is Aman, they show the sample of the snacks to our friends. Thank you.
Well, friends, I have perceived from the picture that there are three characters. Two are male and one is female. The mood of all the characters are positive. My main character is Rajesh, 21, who is a student of RN College, Lucknow, and the president of Science Club. One day, Dean called him and gave him a duty to arrange an event on the occasion of National Science Day on 28th February. He called a meeting in canteen with the other two members of his science club. They decided to conduct a poster presentation competition on that day. They gave the guidelines to all the college, and they have conducted the competition in the college on that occasion, and he got very good experience after conducting that event. Thank you.
Well, friends, I have perceived three characters having all positive moods in this. The main center character of my story is Rajesh, who is a manager of a private company of textile industry. He is working there for 1 year, and he found that company selling growth is not increasing. So he decided to have a research about it. When he researched about it, he found that there is lack of motivation in the worker of the company, and the machinery is all have become old. So he talked with the senior about it and found out that, and tell them about this problem, and they were agreed with him to help him as they can. They provide him a new machinery as his plan was strong. So and after that he'll go to the company and motivate the workers who are having their whole life, whole day helping him. So as he motivated them, he found that now their motivation and increase, and the growth of the company was increasing day by day. Thank you.
In the picture shown to us, I perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female, and my central character is Asutosh, who is preparing for board exams. Asutosh, a student of 12th class, preparing for board exams and failed in his pre-board exams. So his parents came to Asutosh to meet him, who lives in a hostel. His parents started scolding him for his performance in exam, but Asutosh promised them that he will do better in his board exams. So Asutosh prepared well for his board exams and passed the exam with good marks. Thank you.
From picture I perceived 3 characters.
You have been told.
2 are male.
Wait. When you have been told, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, that you must address to each other while narrating the story. Okay, while giving a group story, that is time you are supposed to address to the SSS or to the people who are sitting over here. Okay, now please.
From the picture perceived, I observed 3 characters. 2 are male and 1 is female. My central character is Ayush, 18, manager of RMV vehicles. He observed that his company sales is going down of electric vehicles due to lack of awareness among people about the vehicles. He started a group discussion with his workers and inquired about what is the problem that his sales is going down. He observed that people are not aware about it, so he started advertisements in newspapers and social media, and he also aware the people about the new feature of electric vehicles, and also that in 2 hours charge it can run 80 kilometers. From this he got a very good rise in his sales. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived 3 characters. 2 are male and 1 is female. My central character is Dr. Anubhav, who is 36, and he is a senior psychologist at Apollo Hospital, Lucknow. He had ordered few days back to his junior psychologist to conduct a survey in the nearby schools to see whether what is the mental health status of the children below the class 5, and so both the psychologists had come up with their reports that the importance of mental health was very low in their minds, and so there's a need of a campaign. So Dr. Anubhav decides to campaign about the mental health awareness to the parents as well as the children as well. So he conducts all the campaign in all the schools, and he is well appreciated by the children as well as their parents because of the awareness. Thank you.
So friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived 3 characters, and the central character of my story is Mukul, 18 years. He is a school-going student, and one day before going to his school, he saw her sister lying on the bed with a little bit fever and cold. So he immediately checked her temperature, and seeing the temperature a little bit high, he gave her a paracetamol tablet and bought some cold water strips to put it on her forehead to reduce her temperature, and he also video called her parents to make her feel a little bit comfortable, and after that he went to his school. Later in the evening, after coming back from the school, he took her to the doctor. Adding to this, after that the doctor checked her temperature, and the temperature was well within the limits. So the doctor just gave her the precautionary tablets in case the fever still arises, and later on both the thank you.
So friends, I perceived 3 characters in which 1 is female and 2 are male. So my main character is Monu. Monu is a student of BSc second year. He decided to do a part-time job as a guide because he belongs to a Manali, which is one of the famous hill station of India. So he decided to do a part-time job as a guide. One day during his job, he saw a couple, newly married couple who lost their mobile phone during his trekking on the hill. So he helped with his phone, and
they were planning for a trip to Manali. They wanted to because they kept their clothes and everything in that suitcase. Yeah, so they were planning for a trip to Ladakh, and I think the center character should be a female because it is scientifically proven that females are good in arranging things. See, my character Shreya arranged a trip to Ladakh. She arranged for the transport and all other things and convinced her friend.
Some of us assume the main character as a male character. Then can carry on with the male character as center of character.
He is a student who lives in a hostel. As we can see, there is a table lying on which there are 3 books. So we are discussing
there
kept on the table and all
I partially agree with Chester, but that we can see that there was a man sitting over there and a box showing to the lady, and lady was well dressed, so we can say that she was went for a special function. And then
agree with Chester number 135 that go with the medical theme.
And mental health awareness is a very good thing to go on.
wearing a medical coat. The doctor was doing of the lady.
But as we can see in the picture, there is no doctor dress or any stethoscope over there and not any medical kit, so we can't consider that it was a medical shop.
I agree with Chester. As there were seen of a room or a hostel of advertisement in newspaper.
Adding with 134, we can consider that the boxes over there, there was no jewelry box.
With an eco-friendly. I completely agree with Chester number 104. It should be a medical theme. So the theme should go as like
because it can be a scene of a room or a hostel where basic medicines are kept for a mild fever or a cold.
I agree with Chester number 110. The girl is suffering from a little bit fever and cold.
But as we can see in the picture, the girl is not suffering. She was the lady. She was.
I agree with Chester number 25.
Make the theme of psychology that they are the psychologists.
Team members of a group.
Yes, they are the team members of the group, and the lady and the man was also the psychologist.
They have been planning about some trip to somewhere.
Yes, rather than making a trip, we can make a campaign, as 135 suggested, that it was a campaign. They want to go for a mental health. So first they decided a meeting with the senior doctor and senior psychologist, and then they decided to go to the different schools nearby and then decide to.
Completely agree with Chester number 106. So they have started planning about how to run with the campaign. They have selected some volunteers to assign the task and make some charts and banners to promote their campaign. They have also selected a venue.
The nearby schools, the principals and authority that when the time
invited all other nearby schools and colleges.
They can also invite the parents over there. They can also invite the parents over there for the campaign, so it can be delegated to everyone.
For the psychology test.
I agree.
And they also interviewed the various children and parents to assess what is the mental condition.
And they finally counseled everyone.
And they also asked about the
children and the parents as well.
We must discuss about
awareness.
What will be the theme of that mental health program, because we have not discussed about it.
I agree with Chester number 34. We can say that a campaign for mental health. That will be our
basic mental health of a child. That can be
campaign
I agree with Chester number 135, and they can also plan about how they go with the content of the program. They can start with the child psychology and then later on move to the teenage, and then
and also interacting with the parents that how they spend with the time with their children, so their mental health should be improved. And also they suggested from their experience, the more time to experience with the children and the parents, and also the practical knowledge the children nowadays needed.
I completely agree with Chester number 106. The doctors will also suggest some constructive ideas and activities which will help boost the children their mental health.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, your time is up for the discussion. Now 2 more minutes to make a good story now for everybody.
So as I
we should consider traveling theme because most of
but our group has already made the story. Now we should go for the conclusion and
our theme should be traveling, and we can.
Chester number 116, we had already made the
all the characters are in the positive mood. They can make they can.
You were able to relate to the picture to a little extent. Okay, and then the story you form alright. The way you give the story, the way you spoke, it's quite okay, acceptable. Or I expected you would have participated better in discussion. Their participation was very minimal. That's why you have started on the making great issue. So I suggest that next time onwards, kindly must participate more actively. Give one activity.
So 104, what I observed, like in a story, you should have added on more to the action part, and that you will add on. And while you were discussing your side of the story, you should have put in more efforts. You could have convinced the group that was lucky. And you were giving easy opportunity to others. So that you need to work on. You need to be more loud, more effective, the presence of the group. So I want that also.
The 104 very decent performance and story writing part, like you have only written 51 stories. And during GD, why you are giving chance to others? Why you are not adding more logical ones? Why you are not making it convinced with more logical ideas? Okay. तो GD में again scope of improvement है. देखिए 2-3 बातें हैं सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्रिएटिविटी में. Relevancy is very important. Box के बारे में कितने लोगों ने बात करी है? Box भी नहीं रखा. Only 106. और किसी ने बात करी? बताओ करिए. क्यों नहीं करी? That is clue of the image. कराया था कि नहीं कराया था? ठीक नहीं. Do not keep your story away from the clue of the image. तो ध्यान से पिक्चर को देखो, otherwise आपके ऑब्जर्वेशन पे क्वेश्चन मार्क हो जाएगा एंड अनरियलिस्टिक या प्री कंसीव बोरोड आइडिया ऐसा रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. दूसरा पॉइंट है. पहले पॉइंट को सुन लिया ध्यान से, क्या बोला मैंने? दूसरे पॉइंट पे आता हूँ. दूसरा पॉइंट इज अपने से आसपास स्टोरी को बनाओ, अपनी लाइफ से कनेक्ट करते हुए बनाओ. Why this साइकोलॉजिस्ट मेंटल हेल्थ उसकी बात क्यों कर रहे हो? जब तुम कहीं काम करते हो, जॉब करते हो, क्या ऐसा कोई सिनेरियो है जहाँ पे आप वहाँ पे हो और ऐसा सिनेरियो कहीं कनेक्ट कर रहा है, आप स्टोरी बना दो. अभी सैटरडे को एक कपूरथला में रिकमेंड हुआ है कैंडिडेट सूरज सिंह. उसका पूरा 5 डेज एक्सपीरियंस है. उसने टीईटी अप्रोच पे भी बोला है. सुनना ध्यान से. तो आइडिया इज हम ये जो सक्सेस स्टोरीज डालते हैं, क्यों डालते हैं? कि आप दूसरे के एक्सपीरियंसेस से उसका अप्रोच को समझें. मदद ना करें, कॉपी ना करें, एक अप्रोच को समझें कि यार बच्चों की क्या अप्रोच जल्दी रहती है. तो आप कोशिश करिए कि वो आपसे मैच करती ऐसी स्टोरीज ना लगे जो काम आप खुद नहीं कर सकते उसकी आप स्टोरी बनाते हैं. एंड जब आप पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखेंगे, नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स को ध्यान से देखेंगे, तो आप वो प्रोडक्टिव आइडिया लिखिए जो आपसे कनेक्ट हो सकता है. तो वहां पे काफी कैंडिडेट्स फेल हो गए थे. Then other part is your oratory skill, participation in GD.